Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're focusing on a medical term that can be difficult to pronounce: aortic dissection. Many people stumble over the first word, but by the end of this video you'll say it smoothly and confidently. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is aortic dissection. First we have aortic, where A sounds like the letter A, or is emphasized like an orbit, and tick is short and crisp. Next, dissection, where di rhymes with die, sec sounds like sec in second, and shun has a soft ending, like in action. Now let's put it all together slowly. Aortic dissection. Try repeating after me. Aortic dissection. Now a little faster. Aortic dissection. And at full speed, aortic dissection. Keep practicing and soon this term will come naturally to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Aortic dissection is a serious medical condition in which a tear forms in the inner layer of the aorta, the main artery of the body. The word aortic refers to the aorta, and dissection means a splitting or tearing apart, which describes the condition itself. It is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce aortic dissection and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.